Here you have the Delhi High Court, in fact, furious with the MCD and the Delhi police. In the latest, the Delhi High Court has pulled up both these agencies, saying no value for human life shown. Officials aren't above the law. High Court asking why stormwater drains are dysfunctional, saying that this is clear neglect that's displayed on the part of these authorities. The Delhi police also being pulled up with the court now looking very closely into the civic apathy mess that's claimed lives. The court saying officials aren't above law. Why so far none of the MCD officials have been pulled up, and why are these storm drains still dysfunctional? Kanu Sharda joining us live, tracking court for us. Kanu, please, over to you. What aspect is the Delhi High Court hearing at this point? And tell us more on how they've cracked the whip on the MCD as well as the Delhi police.
Well, Nabila, the Delhi High Court is currently, pulling up Delhi police as well as the MCD commissioner who is present in person before the top court. The DCP concerned is also there. And they are, contending that, they have taken necessary steps as, directed by the High Court earlier also. But on the other hand, the Delhi High Court has come down heavily on the MCD as to why that storm drain was not fixed before the monsoon session begins. Why they have to wait for this tragedy to happen? 3 lives have lost in this incident. Why they are being stopped? They have went on to state asking the Delhi police, commenting on the Delhi police conduct. They said that they have not done the investigation that they should have done it. They have pointed out that if Delhi police could have challaned the water, they could have done that also. It is that messy situation that Delhi police is functioning at. So Delhi High Court is very, very is still dictating their order and is contending that the investigation should be handed over to the CBI and the CVC should look into it, because the MCD and the Delhi police is not working as for the citizens of Delhi it should have been. MCD commissioner had told the Delhi High Court that that the storm drain needs to be, the size of the drain needs to be expanded. On that, the Delhi High Court had asked the MCD commissioner as to how much fund it needs. MCD commissioner replied that 2 crore fund is needed for this. The High Court acting Chief Justice Manmohan came down heavily that for 2 crore rupees we have lost 3 precious lives who were aspirants of IAS, and if they could have become an IAS officer also in future. So human lives are far more important than than money. So
it's about time that the court intervened on this, as the matter has been taken up legally. We're looking at the court really slamming the MCD and asking why no officers have been pulled up or arrested so far. But Kanu, thanks very much for joining us on that. If I could take you through the state of affairs to why MCD has been pulled up in such a fashion by court. We're looking at these images here that has come in from just last night's rains. In fact, the last 2 days, Delhi has been raining, and we're looking at the civic apathy being exposed time and again, and the special focus is on these kids. When I say kids, these youngsters who were attempting at UPSC, but unfortunately their life came to an end because of the lapses of the MCD, who did not clear out the drains in time. All of them, except for the two of them got electrocuted. The rest of the 3 were drowned at a basement in a coaching center. So here are the images that we are bringing for you of those deceased in the latest. What we see here is an IAS aspirant from Bareilly who was electrocuted by a biometric machine while she was entering the library in Karol Bagh. Her left side of the body is fully paralyzed. She's currently admitted at the Bareilly hospital. As per sources in Delhi police, this incident happened about 10 days ago. In a span of 10 days, Delhi has witnessed tragedies related to IAS aspirants. It's her that we're looking at. Finally, at least what we know is that she's alive and taking treatment. But it's unfortunate that 3 IAS officers drowned and died at the Rao's Academy. And we know Nilesh Rai, July 22nd, he died out of electrocution right outside a metro station in Delhi.
लाइब्रेरी के अंदर करंट गेट में करंट आ रहा था, काफ़ी दिन से उस वायर में जो ज़मीन पे पड़ा था वो रब होता था पैरों से, तो उसमें स्पार्किंग हो रही थी। सबने बोला, वहाँ पे लड़का काम करता है गणेश, कि इसको चेंज कराओ। वो हमेशा अवॉइड करता था। लाइब्रेरी ओनर आता ही नहीं था लाइब्रेरी का भी।
अब बारिश आ रहा था, बायोमेट्रिक जो गेट पे लगा हुआ है ना, बायोमेट्रिक की वजह से हल्का सा अर्थिंग गई थी, तो उसकी वजह से उनको करंट लगा था।
और उसके बाद क्या हुआ उन्हें, मतलब आप थी अंदर या उस वक्त आप घर?
मैं यहीं पे थी और उसके बाद उनको नॉर्मलाइज करने की कोशिश करी थी। फिर जब उसके बाद वो नॉर्मलाइज नहीं हुई थी तो उनको फिर यहीं पे पास में RML हॉस्पिटल है, वहाँ पे शिफ्ट किया था। अब ना वो अपने होम टाउन में बरेली में, वो वहीं पे हॉस्पिटल में।
तो कोई पुलिस कंप्लेन वगैरह आपको पता थी? पुलिस आई थी मौके पर?
सर नहीं, ऐसा तो कुछ कोई नहीं आया था।
तो यही है वो लाइब्रेरी जहाँ पे आप लोग आती थी?
जी,
बेसमेंट में चलती थी?
बेसमेंट में चलती थी जी।
तो अब क्या, कब से बंद है ये?
सर ये काफी टाइम हो गया उसको तो बंद हो गई, उस इंसिडेंट के बाद बंद हो गई थी।